The school's leadership team and school governance council chose to address direct and consistent communication and to make it a goal for the 2022-23 school year. They adopted Kinvolved communication in an attempt to address the communication problem, but teachers are not effectively using Kinvolved. They need to be able to efficiently communicate disciplinary concerns with parents and document this communication for their records, which was the main reason for acquiring the Kinvolved system in the first place.
For our project for this semester, there's two main issues that are found using Kinvolved. The first one is that teachers are not using it as much. There's a huge performance gap, as they should, and we're noticing that teachers don't understand the consequences for not using it. So two of the big things that we looked at this time was trying to work out how to minimize that performance gap and also how to increase awareness for consequences for not using it. So overall, our big solution was gaining better professional development so the expectations are clear on how to use it and how to actually do the programming in the app that way.
The first potential cause is lack of communication. There is a gap in understanding what the tool is and how teachers should use it. The second potential cause is lack of incentives and consequences for not using Kinvolved. Administrators have not outlined rewards and consequences for using the system as expected.
The organization that Group 11 decided to work with was Coffee Middle School in Douglas, Georgia. It is a larger middle school in Southeast Georgia. It is the only middle school in the town, and it houses 6th through 8th grades. There are approximately 1,800 students on the campus and 180 staff members. 8 elementary schools filter into the one middle school, and it houses grades 6th through 8th. All students on the campus receive 4 core academic classes and 2 connection classes throughout the day.
We collected qualitative and quantitative data from teachers, parents, counselors, administrators, and we also used the parent communication data from Kinvolved. We used all of the data that we collected to quantify the performance gaps and understand the context of the environment. We used teacher surveys, parent surveys, interviews with administrators, and the Kinvolved communication data to identify the potential causes to the problem.
Hey everyone. So for our HPI project, it was identified that our quantitative performance gap, which was identified by administrators, is that when communicating with parents, 38% of the staff are not using Kinvolved during this form of communication.